This is Jim Emter at Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for January 31st, 2019. Not a pretty day across the board. Corn market today down 4 3/4, soybeans down 5 3/4. The wheat market's steady to down 3 cents. Feeder cattle down 175, live cattle down 175, hogs down $2. So a rough day across the scope. Obviously, U.S.-China talks basically conclude this afternoon. We'll see what kind of progression we get. I mean, it sounds like there was some progress, but also it seems like we're a ways away in some other areas, and maybe that's what the market is kind of fearing, that maybe we're not as close as the market would like to see us. We did get export sales this morning. They were extremely strong. They were in line with expectations, though, and that's possibly the buy the rumor, sell the fact mentality we had within the market. Here's kind of our export sales forecast as we go. Today's sales were from December 20th. Next week, we'll get sales from December 27th, and then we'll get to the following week from January 3rd. On February 22nd, we'll basically get all the information from January 10th to February 14th to get current. Probably just in time for the next government shutdown, but we'll see where things kind of stem from there. Hopefully a deal can be made, amongst our U.S. ranks, but it still seems like we're a ways off there, and that could be the next threat. We are a week and a day off from the February 8th crop report. We will get the January numbers included with the February numbers, so a lot of information coming at us here in a very short period of time. We'd encourage marketing decisions when we get up to our goals, and right now for corn, that's in that 383 to 393 area for March corn. Beans are into our selling targets, and the wheat market still remains a little ways off from our selling targets. So be attentive and be marketing. We talked about the live cattle importance of marketing up here against the highs. We hit those highs today and then faded right off them. And as for the hogs, it's been a weaker stemming market to begin with. So a lot of uncertainty. Look for a lot of back and forth action. We haven't done too much damage to the charts, but definitely find ourselves very quickly at the bottom end of the range once again. So watch for details, especially in the cattle markets and hog markets for feeders and hogs. Live cattle still near the upper end of the range. Bean market still near the upper end of the range, so focus your marketing there. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Just as a reminder, we'll be down in Red Wing tomorrow with the Linder Farm Network. We hope you guys can buzz over and check it out there.